Fabrizio Romano, the ever-reliable source for football transfer news, has once again sparked waves across the footballing world with a groundbreaking confirmation. According to his latest reports, Darwin Núñez is set to join Napoli, with the deal being finalized under the guidance of new manager Arne Slot. This move has come as a major surprise for fans of both Liverpool and Serie A, considering Núñez's growing stature in the Premier League. The confirmation arrived through Romano's signature "Here we go" tweet, which has become synonymous with accuracy and finality in the transfer market. Napoli supporters were sent into euphoria, knowing they are about to welcome a forward with explosive pace, strength, and an undeniable knack for scoring goals. Núñez's transfer to Napoli represents a new chapter in his career after an up-and-down spell at Liverpool. Though he showed flashes of brilliance at Anfield, inconsistencies and competition for places made it difficult for him to fully settle under Jurgen Klopp. The arrival of Arne Slot, known for his attacking philosophy, provides a fresh tactical canvas for the Uruguayan striker to paint his story on. Slot's appointment at Napoli has already marked a shift in the club's strategic approach. Having previously worked wonders at Feyenoord, he brings a data-driven and proactive style of football. Darwin Núñez seems tailor-made for such a system, which emphasizes dynamic forward play and high pressing. Napoli's interest in Núñez has been quietly brewing over the past few months. Club president Aurelio De Laurentiis reportedly approved the ambitious pursuit of the striker, seeing him as the ideal replacement for Victor Osimhen, who is expected to depart this summer. With Osimhen likely heading to the Premier League or Ligue 1, Núñez steps into a big role. Romano's report also indicates that the deal was sealed after multiple rounds of negotiation involving Núñez's representatives, Liverpool, and Napoli's board. While the exact figures are yet to be officially disclosed, sources suggest the transfer fee is in the region of €75 million, including bonuses. Liverpool were initially hesitant to let Núñez go, but Slot's desire to shape his new-look Napoli side played a crucial role. Darwin himself was reportedly excited about the opportunity to play under a manager who values vertical play and high-intensity transitions. Romano's confirmation ends weeks of speculation linking Núñez to clubs in Spain and Germany. While Atletico Madrid and Bayern Munich had made inquiries, Napoli's persistent approach and Slot's involvement were decisive. For Napoli fans, this transfer represents more than just a marquee signing, it signals the beginning of a new era. After winning the Scudetto recently under Luciano Spalletti, the club is eager to remain competitive both domestically and in Europe. Slot's early influence at the club is already becoming apparent, targeting a striker like Núñez, who combines physicality with technical flair, reveals his intent to build a team capable of dominating the Serie A with energy and aggression. Romano highlighted that personal terms were not an issue, as Núñez was keen to restart his journey in Italy. The prospect of leading the line for a resurgent Napoli project under a progressive manager was simply too appealing. Darwin Núñez brings with him not only pace and power but also a relentless work ethic that aligns with the ethos Slot demands from his forwards. His ability to stretch defenses, press relentlessly, and provide depth will add a new dimension to Napoli's attack. Tactically, Slot is expected to deploy Núñez as a central striker, but with freedom to drift wide and exploit spaces. This versatility was part of the pitch made to Darwin during talks, according to Romano. One of the standout features of Núñez's game is his explosiveness in transition. Napoli's midfield, already stacked with talents like Stanislav Lobotka and Piotr Zielinski, will be well equipped to feed him in dangerous areas. Fans at the Stadio Diego Armando Maradona will be eager to see how quickly Darwin adapts to life in Naples. Given his previous experience in Portugal and England, the transition to Serie A may present new challenges, but also opportunities to refine his game. Romano also noted that Darwin was in constant communication with Slot during negotiations. The Dutch manager reportedly laid out his vision for the team and how Darwin would be a focal point of the project. This level of engagement from the manager helped seal the deal and gave Núñez the reassurance he needed. It's a clear indication of Slot's hands-on approach to recruitment, a trait admired by those who've worked with him in the Eredivisie. While Liverpool fans may feel disappointed to see Darwin depart, there is also recognition that he needed a more consistent environment to flourish. The Premier League's pace and pressure didn't always complement his style, especially in Klopp's system that often demanded precise movement and finishing. Napoli offers him the chance to be a leading man once again. With fewer rotation risks and a manager who believes in his potential, Darwin is poised to make a significant impact in Italy. Romano's announcement has already caused ripples across Italian media. Sky Italia, La Gazzetta dello Sport, and Corriere dello Sport have all picked up the story, with some calling it the transfer coup of the summer. The move also raises questions about Napoli's other attacking options. Players like Giovanni Simeone and Giacomo Raspadori may now find themselves adjusting roles or seeking opportunities elsewhere. Darwin Núñez's career trajectory has always been one of resilience and growth. From humble beginnings in Uruguay to his big-money move to Benfica and later Liverpool, he has consistently risen to meet the demands of each level. This latest chapter in Naples could be his most defining yet. Slot's faith in him, combined with the expectations of Napoli's fan base, create a setting that could either spark brilliance or demand even greater resolve. Romano's track record lends serious weight to the confirmation. Rarely does the Italian journalist make declarations unless a deal is fully complete, making this as close to official as it gets before club announcements. Slot's arrival has injected new energy into Napoli's project. While many wondered how the club would evolve post-Spalletti, this signing is a statement that they intend to remain at the forefront of Italian football. Napoli's system under Slot is expected to favor verticality and layered attacking movement, something that fits Darwin's instinctive running and chaos-inducing forward play. This marks a shift from the more calculated possession game Napoli played under Spalletti. Romano pointed out that Napoli's medical team is already preparing for Darwin's arrival in Italy. A medical is expected within the coming days, followed by official photos and unveiling at the club's training ground. Fans are already designing mock UPS of Núñez in Napoli's sky blue shirt. There's palpable excitement across fan forums and social media, with many hopeful he can replicate or even exceed Osimhen's impact. The dynamics of Serie A will undoubtedly test Darwin in new ways. Defensive systems in Italy are known for being disciplined and tactical, which may require adaptation in his off-the-ball movement and decision-making. That said, Slot's track record with forwards, including revitalizing careers and unlocking goal-scoring potential, suggests Darwin will have the right mentorship. This partnership could be mutually beneficial. Romano's report has also opened speculation on how Liverpool will reinvest the funds. Names like Nico Williams and Jonathan David have been floated as possible replacements, although nothing is confirmed yet. As Darwin steps into this new role, he carries the hopes of a city that lives and breathes football. The comparisons to past greats will be inevitable, but if anyone is equipped to handle that pressure, it's the determined Uruguayan forward. Slot's desire to press from the front and play with vertical aggression mirrors some aspects of Darwin's Benfica days. If Napoli can recreate that rhythm, fans could be in for a thrilling season ahead. Romano also hinted that Napoli isn't done with their summer business. With a clear philosophy under Slot, expect more intelligent, strategic acquisitions that align with his style. In conclusion, Fabrizio Romano confirming Darwin Núñez's transfer to Napoli marks the beginning of what could be a transformative period for both the player and the club. With Slot steering the ship and Darwin leading the line, Napoli's future looks poised to be both competitive and electrifying.